अगर आज मैं आपसे पूछूं, अगर आपके अकाउंट में 1 लाख आ जाए तो आप क्या करेंगे? न्यू फ़ोन, फैमिली की हेल्प या अपने ड्रीम्स पर इन्वेस्ट करेंगे? लेकिन एक और क्वेश्चन, आप उस 1 लाख के लिए आज क्या कर रहे हैं? द ट्रूथ इज ड्रीमिंग इज फ्री बट सक्सेस नीड एक्शन. If you are a student, a beginner or someone who wants to earn money online, this video is for you. So don't skip this video because today might be the day you decide to change your future. Let us be honest, many student thinks मेरे पास एक्सपीरियंस नहीं है, मेरे पास लैपटॉप नहीं है, मेरे पास पैसे नहीं है. But remember one thing, nobody start with everything. Every successful freelancer, YouTuber, entrepreneur or content creator started as a beginner. The only difference is they started. One of the biggest mistake people make is comparing their chapter 1 with someone's chapter 20. When you see someone earning lakhs online, remember you are only seeing their success. You are not seeing the sleepless nights, the failures, the rejected proposals, or the hundreds of the hours they spent learning. Focus on your own journey. If you really want to earn money online, don't chase shortcut. Instead, learning a valuable skill. It could be video editing, graphic design, content writing, digital marketing, AI tools, coding, public speaking. Skill pay the bills. The more valuable your skill becomes, the more opportunities you will have. Many people keep saying, I will start next month. I will start after buying a laptop. I will start when I know everything. But the truth is, you will never feel 100% ready. Start with what you have. Your phone can be enough to learn, create content, and even earn your first income. Success doesn't come from one viral video or one lucky day. It comes from showing up again and again. Even if no one is watching today, keep learning, keep improving, and keep creating. One day, people will call you lucky, but you will know it was consistency, not luck. Always remember, your background does not decide your future. Your current situation does not decide your final destination. Your decision do. The moment you decide to learn, work hard, and never give up, your life starts changing. A year from now, you can either say, I wish I had started, or you can proudly say, I am glad I started. The choice is yours. Don't wait for the perfect opportunity. Create it. Don't wait for success. Work for it. Because your future is built by the action you take today. If this video motivated you even a little, make yourself one promise today. Start learning one new skill this week and take one small step toward your goals. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Until then, keep learning, keep growing and never stop believing in yourself.